everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing some new lashes, but let's go and get right into this. So this is a new brand. I am so excited to try out these lashes. You can see this is my before. I don't have a lot of lashes, to say the least. But let's go ahead, open it up, and see exactly how these work. So it is by that brand right there. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's DAODER, but I'm not sure how you would pronounce that. They kind of use like dark, a background for, and then a dark. They should have put like white to print it out, like the words, with a dark background like that, because it's really hard to see. But let me go ahead and show you what the lashes look like. Ooh, these are really pretty. Look at those. So this is a ton of lashes. This will last you a couple of months. And usually when I do wear lashes like this, they last 1 to 2 weeks. I usually take them off after a week, but they are usually still like strong. Like the ones that I had before, I had on for over a week and they were holding on strong. You just use a oil-based lash remover to remove them. This one actually comes with a remover. So this is what the remover looks like. So after you're done, you're just going to take this and then you'll go up underneath and then on top and then rub that and let it sit for a couple minutes and they'll slide right off without damaging your natural lashes. This also comes with a spoolie so that you can brush them out. It comes with your tweezers to apply the lashes, which I'll be showing you how to do. And then when you're done clamping them. And then it does also come with the seal in the bond. The bond is pretty much the glue. It makes your lashes sticky so that they'll glue onto them. And the seal I don't always use. It just depends if my lashes are sticky afterwards. And like when you go like this, if they're sticking to the bottom lashes, you can go in with this and put it where it's sticky and it just removes the stickiness. But you don't always have to use the seal. If you don't have a seal, it's not a big deal. But let's go ahead and get to applying. So these are going to look more like natural lash extensions. And I'm thinking I'm going for like a lash extension look today. I think that'll be perfect. But like every set, like look, I just want to show you a close up. All of them are super nice. There's not like one that I'm like, I don't think I want to wear those. I seriously look at these and I'm like, I want to wear them all. So this side's going to be a little lighter. This side's a little darker. It just has a little more lashes in them. I think I'm just going to go with these. So as you can see, it has 13, 12, 11, 10, and 9. 2 13s, 2 12s, 2 11s, 1 10, and 1 9 when it comes to the lash size. And these are 60D, these are 50D, these are 40D, and these are 30D curls. Okay, let's go ahead and get these on. So to take them out, I just go right underneath it, just like this, and then I pull up, and they come right off. So I'm going to do, let's see what it looks like with 2. I like to pull them out, and then I set them right here. And then I'll put the glue on my lashes. I like to put a slight bend like that because it just makes it easier to apply. Just like so. And then you're going to grab your lashes. Try to get a way that's more like comfortable, where it feels like it's going to be more comfortable to apply them. Like I like holding this side this way because I'm going to go underneath and apply them like so. And then I like to add a little bit of glue to the top side. I find that they last a lot longer when you do that. And you're just going to place it like so to get some glue right there. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more 13, just because I feel like that will be perfect for that outer edge. So I'm going to grab me 2 12s now. So I did 3 13s, 2 12s. Now I'm going to go in with 2 11s. These lashes are very full. Like they're really like lash extensions because they come out like that. Can you believe that I've never had lash extensions my entire life? I've always done it myself because I can never justify spending the money on getting my lashes done when you can do it and look the same at home. So just like that. And then you're going to grab the backs of these. And you're just going to pinch them down onto your natural lashes. And that's what's going to give you a ton of wear out of them. Just like infusing them together. Then you can get your little spoolie and just kind of brush them all together. So as you can see, this is before, this is after. Such a big difference. Let me go ahead. I'm going to apply this eye off camera. I'm going to show you what it looks like once I'm done. Okay, so as you can see, when I blink, my eyes are sticking to each other. So that's when you get the seal, which is this right here. I have like glue all over me from this. Okay, so it's sticking in this corner over here. So I'm just going to grab this. I'm going to keep it at the base. Now you do not want to brush this all the way through because it will make your lashes like crunchy. So just put it where you need it. Same thing with this side. And this stuff does burn if you get in the eyes, so just be very cautious with it. And that's all there is to it. So definitely give these lashes a 10 out of 10. These are a better set. It does look like lash extensions, like, and if you want to, you can come more in the corner to kind of fill it up more. I like to stop there, just because I'm always like wiping my eyes and stuff. So to me, this is a good fit, but you can work them all the way through. And you can also stack them if you want them to even be like bolder, but these are pretty bold. I usually do start out with the 16. This one does not come that long. So this one's going to be more for like your average person because I like very dramatic. So a lot of times I'll put them like bigger and then work my way down. These are a lot similar, so the length difference isn't crazy. So it just looks like very subtle, which is actually really nice. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.